What dental problems are people, why are they choosing to have implants?
The implants is a like-for-like treatment, replacing the teeth, and it's very successful, very long-lasting, good value. Yeah, well, replacing teeth, it would be, for some people, is purely cosmetic. They're missing a front tooth and they want a front tooth. For us as dentists, it's actually more the function, and it's not only eating, it also keeps everything stable. So it prevents future problems, it prevents problems in the jaw, clenching.
So is there a particular case where you felt it made a huge difference to somebody's life, the placement of implants?
Oh yeah.
That you can recall?
Yeah, I mean, plenty of people. If you show them the mirror, especially with the full arches as we were talking about, that was a life-changing. Because you take it out, the whole mouth drops to bits. You put the implant in, it fills the whole jaw up again.
So the lip, do you mean the lip support? Yeah. So it affects their appearance a lot?
Yes, and also what we haven't discussed is if you miss a tooth and you don't replace it with basically an implant, the bone disappears. And the face, the structure of the bone changes, and the whole face can change on that. Where if you miss a tooth and you put an implant, that stimulates the bone and the bone stays there. So that's another good reason to replace it, the missing tooth.
To stop bone loss over time after you've had, unfortunately, lost the tooth or teeth.
Yes.
And obviously, chewing ability is a great benefit. Yeah. And the other side, you mentioned first of all, was the ability to have pride in the person's smile again, restoring
confidence.
Confidence. Confidence is king, as they say.
Yeah.
But it does make a huge difference to people's lives.
Yeah, of course. Everyone notices it. If someone turns up for a meeting, for example, without a front tooth, who's not going to notice that? And if you have a denture, you're never sure when is the denture going to fall out.
Yes.
Whether it's a fixed implant, you forget about it. It's like your own tooth.
So yes, in terms of the, do you find people that were hiding themselves away to some degree from photos, and were people embarrassed?
Talk like this and
yes,
things like that.
And that's all completely changed.
Yes, that makes a big difference.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, Gerry, very much for talking with me. It's great to have you here with us.
Yeah, and we'll have another talk.
Definitely.